We're going to discuss about the few more preparation methods of alcohols. So in that now we'll discuss about the preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. Preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. Here the RMGX, alkyl magnesium halide, is called Grignard reagents. Here alkyl magnesium halides, when we react with aldehyde to give primary alcohols. Here alkyl magnesium halide, when we react with aldehyde to give primary alcohol. Here the same Grignard reagent, when we react with ketone to give tertiary alcohols. The same Grignard reagent, when we react with aldehyde to give secondary alcohols. Now we will see the reaction and reaction mechanism one by one. Here RMGX, Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Simply RMGX means alkyl magnesium halide, called as Grignard reagents. Here this RMGX, when we react with aldehyde, here RC minus OMGX HH. On hydrolysis, here on hydrolysis we get RCH2OH plus MgOH X. This is the primary alcohol. Here RMGX, when we react with formaldehyde to give plus MgOH X. Here this is the general reactions. Now when we see one example, if methyl magnesium halide CH3 MgX, when we react with HCOH, then what do we get here? CH3 CH2 OH, ethanol is obtained here, and MgOH X. Here same Grignard reagent. If R equal to CH3 CH2, then what we get here? CH3 CH2 CH2OH plus MgOH X. Here same Grignard reagent, when we react with aldehyde to give secondary alcohol. Here same Grignard reagent RMGX plus R dash COH H2OH plus gives RCOH R dash H plus MgOH X. Here RC R dash is, this is a secondary alcohol. Here Grignard reagent, when we react with aldehyde to give secondary alcohol. Here same Grignard reagent, when we react with ketone to give tertiary alcohol. Here same. Now we will see one Example: CH3 MgX plus CH3 COH. Here the methyl magnesium halide, when you react with acetaldehyde to gives secondary alcohol. Here same RMGX, same alkyl magnesium halide, when you react with keto or CO or the presence of water or hydrolysis to gives tertiary alcohol or COH or plus MgOHX. Here Grignard reagent, when we react with ketone to gives tertiary alcohol. Now you see one example here. One example: CH3 MgX plus acetone. CH3 is a negative part, and MgX plus common attack here. Then CH3 COMgX CH3 on hydrolysis here, H here, OH minus here to gives on hydrolysis here we get CH3 COH CH3 plus MgOHX. So here this is the tertiary alcohol. So by using Grignard reagent here, we prepared primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. By using this method, we can't be prepared methanol. Because here in a Grignard reagent, at least one carbon is there, and the aldehyde, formaldehyde or aldehyde, one carbon is there. That's what here we can't prepare methanol by using Grignard reagents. We prepared from methanol onwards, isn't it? So these are the preparation method of alcohol from Grignard reagent. We will see another reaction method. It is from aliphatic amines. Here amines, when we react with sodium nitrate in the presence of HCl to gives alcohol. Here from aliphatic amines. From aliphatic amines. Here amines, when we react with sodium nitrate in the presence of hydrochloric acid to gives primary alcohol. Here, for example, we see one example: methylamine, when we react with NaNO2 sodium nitrate in the presence of hydrochloric acid, we get methanol. We will see another example. Here alkyl amine, same ethyl amine, when we react with sodium nitrate the presence of hydrochloric acid to gives ethanol. So these are the Preparation method of alcohols from amines. Now we will see another example from alkenes by mercuration and demercuration. Next method is from alkene by mercuration and demercuration. Demercuration. Here CH3 CH2 double bond CH2. The alkene. This alkene, when we react with water in the presence of hydrogenium diacetate or hydrogen salt of acetate, it gives H3C called then this intermediate when we react with sodium borohydrate in the presence of base, it gives alcohol 3C. So this is the preparation of alcohol from alkenes by mercuration and demercuration. Here, unsymmetric alkene when react with water in the presence of hydrogenium acetate to give secondary alcohol. This is the intermediate when you react with sodium borohydrate to give secondary alcohols. These are the preparation of alcohols from the alkenes by mercuration and demercuration. Here, this reaction follows Markovnikov rules. The another method is fermentation of molasses. Here the molasses when you react with invertase enzyme to give glucose and fructose. This glucose fructose mixture when you react with GMAs to give ethanol and carbon dioxide. So this is the preparation of alcohol from molasses, fermentation of molasses. In molasses, when you react with invertase enzyme, then gives two compounds, glucose and fructose. This glucose preparation of alcohols from alkenes by mercuration and demercuration. Preparation of alcohol from alkene by mercuration, demercuration. Here, the unsymmetric alkene react with water and hydrogenium diacetate salt to give secondary hydroxy hydrogenium salt. On hydrolysis of this salt with sodium borohydrate in the presence of base gives secondary alcohol. Here, see here, the alkene when you react with water in the presence of diacetate hydrogenium salt to gives hydroxy acetate intermediate. Then again this intermediate when you react with sodium borohydrate in the presence of base to give secondary alcohol. And we will see another method from the fermentation of molasses. Fermentation of molasses. Fermentation of molasses. Here, molasses when we react with invertase enzyme produce glucose plus fructose. Yet this glucose fructose mixture, when we react with Jamase enzyme produce ethanol plus carbon dioxide. Here when we see the reaction molasses, this is the molasses formula C12H22O11. When we react this molasses in the presence of invertase enzyme produce glucose and fructose C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6 glucose and fructose. So this glucose and fructose mixture when we react with Jamase enzyme produce two molecules of ethanol. These are the preparation method of alcohols. Now we will see physical properties of alcohols in the next class. Okay. Physical and chemical properties of alcohol we will discuss in coming class. Okay. Bye.